Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to add a manual or offline payment method in Hostinger Website Builder. I'm in my store management area, and to add a manual method payments like cash on delivery, for example, just go to Store Settings and click on Payments. Scroll down to Manual Payment, and next to it, click on this Add button. Give your manual payment method a name at checkout, for example, cash on delivery. Also, some payment instructions like how and where they should pay for their orders. For example, click on Enable Manual Payment Method at Checkout and hit Save. As you can see, manual payment added. And under manual payment, I have a cash on delivery payment option. Let's check this cash on delivery payment option live. This is my website in Hostinger Website Builder, and this is my store page. Let's go with this product. For example, click on checkout, fill in your shipping information. As you can see, now I have a cash on delivery payment method added on my online store. And this is how to add a manual payment in Hostinger Website Builder. Before you go, I have something special for you. I have two free online video courses for you. The first one is about Hostinger hosting and WordPress managing, and the second one shows you how to use Hostinger Website Builder to make basic websites or online shops. You can get them both for free just by clicking the link in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any question, leave a comment below.